Mapanood din na live.
Grabe yung songs. Grabe yung full song.
Love Moves, full song. One album.
9 songs.
One album.
9 songs with band.
Request na daw.
Wala kasi na nga band, di prepared na. Ano ng song? Sige na.
Nagpasok ng salapi.
Okay. Nagpasok na sa... Okay. Love moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising. Love appears over the horizon. I love you for the rest of my days. But still it's a mystery. The value ever came to me, which only proves love moves in mysterious ways.
Bridge.
Hindi tapos na bumalik pa siya.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Lina.
Ano lang po, remind lang po na about this concert. Masasabi ko, it's a different kind of concert from the other concerts that I've done. Kasi ito nga, we celebrate, on this concert, we celebrate different kinds of love. Anong maisip niyo na kinds of love na names sa concert? And we have new songs also for this concert.
Can you share po paano nag-start yung Love Matters? Kumbaga nag-start yung concept.
Well, nag-sit down lang kami, tapos parang inisip na ano bang ibang concept naman for Valentine's Day. Kasi usually as we celebrate is yung talagang love for each other, yung talagang puro love, diba? Ito kahit love sa love ng nag-iisa ka lang, meron dyan, love ng meron ng iba yung love mo, ganun, meron din dyan. So iba-iba. Kumbaga we celebrate all types of love on this concert. But minsan pag gusto mo manood ng Valentine concert, it's all about like love lang, nakahanap ka ng special someone. So iba.
Magkakaroon po ba na parang medyo storyline per se yung concert?
I think may mga songs there, syempre, we'll do like lyrics about it, or siguro tatay-tayin na lang nila.
Can you tell us a little bit about what kind of music will this be? Will this be more on covers or your originals, or a mix of both?
Well, sa mga concerts naman din, hindi mawawala yung mga covers kasi yung importante din na that the people could relate to all the songs. And also, hindi din mawawala yung mga songs na minahal nila, yung mga songs ko na minahal ng mga audience. Iba-iba.
So, have seen a couple of videos online, specifically on YouTube, that you were able to also work with some of artists and producers in the US. Can you tell us a little bit about how that went?
Which one is one? Very recent, right?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Well, I've collaborated with some composers in the US, and then we made a few songs that we haven't released yet. But we're probably thinking of releasing it this year, but I'm really not keen on releasing it this year, but not yet soon enough, because I'm, parang medyo half-baked. Hindi ko pa masyado feel i-release, pero baka merong dumating na something para malinis o maayos yung song na yun, then we can release it.
Is this some sort of your pitch it in the international market? Is that what's gonna happen?
Not naman, I don't wanna say that I wanna delve into the international, pero lahat naman tayo, lahat naman ng singers, they wanted to penetrate the international. Pero sa akin, I just wanna put out this song to, if it will make it internationally, bonus. I love that. But I'm not, really pushing it to be that. I'm putting this out to be an international sensation.
But how do you feel that when they were talking about you, medyo parang their jaws were dropped when they heard you sing in the studio?
In this what, sorry?
Studios.
Well, they've heard all of my songs, they've heard about me, and yun, probably when they heard me like sing live, yun na yung nagulat lang sila na nagandahan sila dun sa boss. Parang na-enjoy sila siguro dun sa summit ng boss.
So I believe the director of this concert is Direk John Pratt.
Direk
So
John Pratt.
is this your very first time na i-direct ni Direk John?
This is my third time to work
Third
with
time.
Direk John Pratt.
So how is it?
Always a breeze, you know, working with Direk John Pratt kasi he gives the artists the freedom, you know, to do whatever they want to do, but yung creative side, like, oh, Direk, ito yung gusto kong gawin, pero siya, pinapaganda lang niya lalo yung idea mo na sasabihin sa kanya. So, hindi siya yung parang limited to, parang, ito gusto kong gawin mo, ito gusto kong gawin, anong gusto mong gawin? Ito gusto kong gawin, Direk. So, papagandahin lang niya yung...
Is he created the concept or it's a collaboration?
He's part of the creation of Love Matters.
Taking on that view, are we expecting any guests with S
Wait.
from your concert?
With S? Ano yun?
Guests.
Guests. As of the moment, I have one guest, and it's MMG. If you guys know MMG. Yeah. For now.
Prior to this concert, ano yung pinagkakabalan niyo ng Miss Lina?
Well, a lot of bar shows, mga special concerts, special shows. So, yun lang naman basically, and some guesting, some of course, family.
So, would you say this is your Valentine's concert again for after a few years din, di ba?
Well, last year I had a Valentine concert at in Sydney. Yeah, so after a few years, nag-concert ulit ako sa Sydney last year.
So how do you differentiate po yung Love Matters po sa mga other concerts na nagawa niyo?
Well, basically, Love Matters, yun nga, as I said a while back, parang it celebrates all types of love. Hindi lang siya yung parang, kasi usually sa mga concerts ko, iba-ibang klase ang mga songs na I interpret. Ito naman, parang different kinds of love talaga. So, very different, very Valentine in a different way.
And then yung collaboration niyo po with Heavenly Desserts, paano po siya nag-push?
Well, Heavenly Desserts kasi I started singing with District 1, and then District 1 is also owned by Chef Jane. So, Chef Jane really loves my songs and my music, and she wanted me to produce a concert for me, and that started like 2 years ago. She did my concert for a very long time, and then yun nga, the Valentine concert in Cebu, and then this one. Dapat yung birthday concert ko last year, siya din ang gagawa, kaso naunahan siya ng ibang kaya hindi na nagawa.
One last na lang po, sa mga original song.
Kahit hindi last, okay lang.
Sa mga original song po ninyo, Miss Lina, ano po yung hindi dapat mawawala every time na nagko-concert?
Sa pagkakalam ko, I think it's Jealous, Someday, and syempre, hindi original Love Moves, pero Love Moves kailangan nandoon, Foolish Heart, I think, ano pa ba?
Favorite niya.
The Fire.
Foolish Heart.
Sige nga, sample.
Parang nagbibigay ng sample si Miss Lina.
Mamaya si Miss Lina na.
May dance move pa yan.
Yun. So yung mga yun. I love you, goodbye. Yan, mga ganyan, di ba? Yung mga hindi dapat.
Kasi naka-experience ka na ba na nag-proposal during your concert?
Madami. Like, hindi dito internationally din, tapos dito din. So, madami kasi, most especially doon sa song na Love Moves in Mysterious Ways. Kasi talagang parang, doon talaga yung pinakamagandang mag-propose kasi sinasabi talaga na hindi mo alam kung kailan dadating yung love. So, ito dumating na yung love, so I'd like to propose to you. Parang gano'n yung gusto nila palabasin always sa Love Moves in Mysterious Ways.
So, hindi ka na magugulat na magkakaroon na ng proposal?
Hindi, naiiyak lang ako. Minsan ako na emotional pa ako. Ganun.
Magpo-propose siya ito sa FPJ. FPJ ha?
Parang gusto niya mag-propose.
Mag-propose pa rin.
Naghahanda na siya.
But how important to you is also family time?
Very, very important. That's why, like, every Sunday I do accept
Gifts.
gigs. And during the week, when I don't have a gig, I spend most of the time with my family. At home lang talaga ako. Hindi ako labas. Hindi ako at I go out. Spend time with the family pag wala talaga yung may show ako talagang nakaan talaga ako doon eh. Naka-concentrate. So,
Does your, I suppose you also have your own band that performs with you. Do they understand that in some sense, the way that you do have to have time for your family?
yes, of course. Kasi musicians din sila. So sila, they also understand that it's not all about work. They need to, reset, relax, and, feel grounded to the help of the family.
Kasi of course, most of the times, magkaka-gig ka is weekends.
Yeah,
Is that
usually
where
weekends,
people have...
konti-konti lang naman yung mga Sunday or Monday or